Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel. So yesterday I completed a book which is named Broken Crayons Can Still Color. Yeah, I have it with me. It's the book and it's written by Rakesh Walia. Basically his autobiography. So we are not going to exactly talk about the book, but we are going to talk about the book. First I wasn't going to read this book, okay? Because I was going to read this book. That is the reason I took it from my friend to read. But then I was like, it has a name like Broken Crayons Can Still Color, because I was like trying to choose a book and it was like Broken Crayons Can Still Color. And to be honest, lockdown has left us broken. Like, I didn't want to be a pessimist, which I'm not, but it has somehow done something. The thing about this book is that it's very motivating. Like, there are so many books that are motivating, but the different thing about this book is, like, the person in this book had nothing. Like, he has literally made himself from scratch. Like, scratch. We have so many things in our life, like, we are almost privileged in so many terms, but still we don't do anything because we are always in our mind always thinking what will go wrong if we do things. Like, we think of 50,000 things that can go wrong if you do one thing, and this person had nothing in his life. So he was like, nothing can go wrong, and he did it. And that's the thing that we need to pick up. You and I, we both need to pick up, because if I tell you about his story, like, a little bit about his story. So he had no one in his family and he was all alone. Then after a time, like after a certain period in his life, he started to like work like a laborer, child laborer, and he made money out of it. Then he studied in a government school for some time, and then like this only he did complete his studies, like 10th, okay? And then after 10th he was a laborer again and his studies stopped, but he was so determined to study. Like, he did with all this stuff. He also did study because he was like, he wanted to become an army officer, and he did not know that to become an officer you have to graduate first. So after his completing his 10th, he was like, okay, I will become an officer and all. And he got a shock when he realized that no, you have to do the graduation first. So think of a person who is a laborer, who has no one's support, no family support, no friend support. Like, he had some friends, but they were also like him, only laborers. So, and everyone used to laugh at him because he was a laborer and people used to laugh at him. And we will think of this situation as very normal, because you and I, we have so many things in our life. We have so many privileges. We are studying, we have a home, we have parents, we have money, almost everything we have. Still, if one of us is dreaming of something or say something that seems pretty stupid to us, we all start like laughing on them and stuff like that, which is very stupid of us to do and very demotivating also. And we should stop doing this. If you're doing this to your friends, just stop it. And remember, if you're doing this to other person, then you're definitely doing this to you, because it's not about judging others, it's about judging yourself. And thing is, if you're judging others, the first person that you are judging is yourself. If you're judging anything about anyone, you are not so confident about yourself. So go and fix your self-worth issues and stop like judging others. Yeah, that's one thing to learn. So this person somehow completed his 12th, and then he realized, like, he went to the officer somewhere and he was told that, okay, also have to give an exam before joining the army. And he was like, dude, seriously, I completed my 10th. You were like, no. I did my 12th. You were like, no. So he was like heartbroken, and everyone and no one was like supporting him, like not emotionally, not financially. This is exactly the point where most of the people get so heartbroken that they don't even try, and they are like, okay, we'll just live a mediocre life, and they don't want to live that life, but they are like, I tried and I could not get it, and they are so afraid of trying it again, so afraid of getting judged. I'm not targeting others, this is about me and you and almost every one of us, and every one of us at this age particularly. So but this person did not give up, and he somehow, in short, I'll tell you, he did join the army. He became a captain, and after that, after he left the army, still problems were in his life, but he got married, he has a child now, and he is a big name in corporate world also. So think of this person who has like nothing, child who's working at some kind of dhaba or some industry and getting day-to-day wages, and has no family, like no family. This person like no and this person learned English because he did not know how to speak English. He had like very basic education, and most of us have like so many tuitions and stuff like that. So we don't study, we take everything for granted. We have our school, we have our tuitions, our friends to talk about things and study, and still we don't. And this person had nothing, still he bought some books from the money he got, second-hand books, and used to study. And he used to like look into the mirror and speak in English to improve his English. Like dedication, bro, dedication. This book basically teaches us dedication, perseverance, and also punctuality, because this man was very punctual, bro. So also this book had so many quotes, and this is not exactly his quote, like the author's quote, but the quote goes like, shape your world rather than being shaped by it. Like, dude, listen to again, shape your world rather than being shaped by it. And this is the point where we decide, like you will decide, either you are going to dream and work for your dreams and get the world that you dream of, or either you will just get shaped by the world, get shaped by the society, what your parents think. And most of the people, just the thought of like making their parents angry or sad because they will do something which is not very conventional, or something which is not thought to be good of, or people don't have like enough faith on you. So you too think, okay, my parents don't think I can do it, so why do you think that I can do it? You never have like faith in yourself. Even when everyone tells you that you ain't worth it, go to a mirror, see yourself right in your eyes, and tell yourself, I am worth it, I am worth it, I am worth it. Okay, so like I don't know where this video is exactly going, but this was a very short Chotu Si video from Tejasvi, just to remind yourself that you can get everything that you want. And if you are just giving up on your dreams, if you are just giving up on anything in your life that you want to achieve, that may be anything in career, finance, in family, in love, anything that you're giving up just because you think it's not possible, man, this can do it, because this dude did it. Anyone can, like we can easily do it, like you and I, we can easily do it. Like he also says, we can easily do it. We all know we can do it, but maybe we are just too afraid at this point of disappointing others, disappointing our parents, family, friends. But the thing is, at this point you have to decide, if you don't take the right step, in the coming future you are going to disappoint no one but yourself. Like seriously, yourself. You don't want to live a life where you regret that I did not do it. And there was something like this also in this book, like often we don't regret the things we do, like after so many years, if we think about the things that we did, we don't regret the things that we did, but we regret the things that we did not do. And I think this is a very good quote. I think I've written this also. It goes like, explore, dream, and discover. 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you did not do rather the things that you did do. Boom, 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 boom. If this did not hit, I don't know what will. Don't come with, okay, coke and drugs will. Okay, sorry. Don't know if I'm going to post this, because this is a pep talk that I usually give to myself and my friends only. And like speaking this on camera, almost I'm not speaking everything, because I'm like, so I really don't know how to like form sentences. I've forgotten how to form sentences in the front of camera, you know. The second thing, it seems so stupid. Like when I will be editing this video, I will be like, oh my god, you can just shut up. Can you just shut up, bro? Please shut up. But I will try my best, and I will definitely post this, because I think, and I know, I definitely know that someone out there needs to hear this, that you don't have to give up on your dreams. You just have to go on. You just have to go on. Stop thinking mediocre. By mediocre, I don't mean that to be successful in life you have to have like everything, big cars and very luxurious life and something like that. But a mediocre life is something where you are living without passion. Successful life, according to me, according to Baba Teja, successful life is where it's not necessary that you have to like be very rich or very famous or something like that, but there should be no regret. regarding the fact that you did everything that you wanted to do. Like you tried, even if you failed, you just tried and you gave your 100%. Like 90 भी दे सकते हो. You gave, like you tried. The main thing is that you tried and you had faith in yourself. You were not disappointed by yourself and you just didn't like stop doing because you're like, what will my family say, what will my friends say, what will the society say. Stop everything. What are you saying about yourself? That is the main thing. Okay, so that's it. And this guy has written this book to motivate the youth just like us to do big things, to dream of big things, because he did. And he's like saying us that if a person who was living in a condition just like a slum, like he was not exactly living in a slum, but living in such a poor condition with no support, like no support at all, like he did it. Why can't we can definitely do it. And skills are something that we develop, like anyone can do it. We just have to be persistent and just go for it. Like every skill is learnable and we know it. We just it's very easy to say that something like this happened to me or situation like this happened and just leave it, because we are scared of failure. We're like, if I do this and I fail at this, then people will laugh at you. And the thing is, no one laughs at you, no one judges you. You're the one who are judging yourself. And you have to we have to stop this behavior. We have to stop this behavior. It's high time to do things even when everyone is like judging us. Karo judge yaar, karo tum. Thing is, everyone can stop judging you, like everyone. But if you yourself don't stop judging yourself, like bro, nothing will happen. Like nobody will be judging you and everything will be cool. Everyone would be supporting you and you will be like, nah, they're judging me, they are not telling me the truth, they are judging me. Bro, nobody is judging you. Like real time you're judging yourself. So like check your self-worth issues like real quick. Okay, you have to tell yourself that you can do it, you can do it. And books like these like really help. You can just read them if you want to, or don't. Like just believe in yourself, you can do it. Like don't get stuck and don't just say yes to a mediocre life just because you're scared to go out of the comfort zone, just because you're scared that someone in your family or friends or anyone will get hurt by your actions, not physically, by like emotionally or somewhat like that. Don't stop, because eventually they will also understand like why we did it. Okay, you're getting it right. I hope you're getting it, because if I speak like more, I'll just keep on speaking. Like I tend to speak so much, like I have so much to say right now, but this is my first video like this, and I don't want to like overdo it. Like yeah, but I will just tell you the name of the book again. It's Broken Crayons Can Still Color. So if you're depressed, or if you are in a situation in life that you think you can't just come out, remember, broken crayons can color. Whatever situation you are in, it's just a situation. It's called situation for a reason. Situation and you are different things. We can just get out of it. Dream of a bigger life, grander version of life, beautiful version of life. And that's it for this video. I hope it somehow helped you. And whatever situation you are in, you can come out of this. Video is a sign for you that you can achieve all your dreams. You can do it. You just have to be persistent, like persistent with positivity, not negative persistence. You have to be persistent and positive, and you'll just reach it. Whether you are trying to get into your dream career, you want to become an actor, you want to like crack UPSC, whether you're doing anything, you can do it. You just have to be persistent, and there will be people around you always telling you that you can't do it. Okay, there will always be people who will tell you that you can't do it. People who do stuff like this are different. They have different genes, or they have parents like this, they are rich, they are born different. But nobody is born different. You create yourself. Okay, that's it for this video. We will stop here, otherwise she's like unstoppable. You can't stop me. Okay, and stop me. I'll just stop myself. Okay, please. So that's it for this video. I hope it helps. If you want to, you can just subscribe to this channel. It's your choice. You can do it if you like the content. If you have anything to say, you can just comment down below. And yeah, that's it.